ka Congress kala kentu igit khot ki bakersyan ya sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance banra ya kamat bomdon jiseni asu ya kanik sarkar hak jingilam kamat konrad kesangma kumu mentirang ba hakani kedor bar senrai kabanwan haying dobar thawan kejela kaban sedang nadu kesputrik nailur arajar arpuai habakli ya kaliang persya kanra ya kani kamat bomdon jiseni asu ya sarkar unong ilam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul sangma uluong baki pai ba nong song snong kejela kilakwa bani i nakid khot ki bakersyan ya sarkar MDA bakin le ya kani ulong balada dan bara nakaliang ke Kongres kan kersian
input that I received and then which we were discussing amongst ourselves is that this time I think people of the state, that is what the people of the state are telling me, not my colleagues, but then people of the state are telling us, okay, that this time members who are in the government, they should table no confidence motions against the government. And if anybody tables, we will be there. Yes.
So are you suggesting them to?
No, I am being told by people. We were told by people of the state that it should be the members who are in the government, who are in the ruling dispensation, who should table no confidence motions against the government. And that is the input that has been shared with us. They are telling us, they are telling them also, I am told. Now, whether they agree or not is up to them. But if they table, then we are there. Because what did we say in the last assembly? You all asked, what is the solution to those all alleged irregularities and instances of corruption which is going on with complete impunity and lack of response and to deal with any instances of allegation when brought before the government, the constant denial mode on those instances of allegations, prompt denial. So you have asked, we said that, I don't know, I don't find any solution until and unless somebody else is asked to probably be serious about taking cognizance of those issues and looking at correcting them. The timing when it is considered as right, the letters will reach them. By members from the ruling dispensation, as per the suggestion that is coming from the people. So we will wait for that. They are concerned about their respective numbers. They all talk about their respective numbers, that they have such a small numbers. What can they do, isn't it? One of this, the way they articulate. Yeah. So they should sit together and look at whether they can trust each other. If they have to decide to protect the interests of the state and to take cognizance of what is happening across the state and do justice to their responsibilities towards the larger good of people. The issues that we will be taking up is obviously the prevailing sense of insecurity amongst the people across the state, keeping in mind the resurgence and reemergence of various militant activities and insurgent activities across the state. Against the backdrop of palpable feeling of frustration, loss of hope, and anger amongst the people, particularly the youth. Against the backdrop of lack of opportunities for any of our people from different walks of life, not just the youth, and the resultant frustration and anger associated with that. So this is one crucial issue which is confronting the people. When we talk to the people, we know how frustrated people are, angry people are about lack of opportunities having been created by the government in the last preceding 3 years. Even the opportunities which have been created have somehow been snatched away by some people. Okay, those are other things which we will dwell when we present it before the August House. And obviously, the sense of insecurity amongst our brethren who are residing along the interstate border, because of, I must say, the failure to reinstill the sense of security amongst people by the government of the day, and the failure of the government to respond to a given situation when people are subjected to some kind of instances where they are being intruded upon by people from the neighboring state. So these are palpable instances which have been shared with us and is being seen. That's why I'm saying palpable. It's visible. It's being heard. It's circulating in the social media network. So those are issues of instant occurrences which has drawn the attention of the people, and therefore those are the issues which concern the people, and we are deeply disturbed by this development, and therefore this will be one of the issues. The overall rampant instances of lawlessness. You know what type of lawlessness we are talking about? The lawlessness on the street, the lawlessness on the roads. When the government has refused to enforce the law, then there is lawlessness. So you can see lawlessness even on the roads, on the national highway, in the state highways, in those roads which lead to land custom stations, where you have trucks transporting goods without being regulated by the law of the land, resulting in not just the damage to the roads, the road infrastructure, but resulting in huge loss to the state exchequer, to the nation's exchequer, including instances of road accidents resulting in loss of precious lives. There's a complete lawlessness.